Ever wonder about the red planet that glows in our night sky? Just what secrets does Mars hold? Welcome to a journey of discovery, to a world that has long captivated the human imagination. Today, we delve into the story of Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, often seen as a tiny, tantalizing red dot in our night sky. For millennia, this celestial body has been a source of intrigue, its glowing ember-like presence a mystery to our ancestors. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, observed this fiery orb with awe and curiosity. Despite being visible to the naked eye, Mars remained an enigma, its true nature shrouded by the vast expanse of space. Its red hue, reminiscent of blood and fire, led to tales of God of War. But what was Mars really? Was it a world like ours, or something entirely different? The red speck in the sky was about to reveal its secrets to the curious eyes of mankind. As mankind's understanding of the universe expanded, so did our curiosity about Mars. The red planet, as it is often referred to, intrigued us with its tantalizing promise of secrets yet to be discovered. And so we began to look closer, reaching out to Mars with the help of our telescopes. In the 17th century, a period of great enlightenment and scientific discovery, our fascination with Mars began to take more concrete shape. Pioneering scientists like Galileo Galilei turned their telescopes towards the heavens and started to document the celestial bodies they observed. Mars was among the planets they studied, and it was during this era that we began to understand more about this intriguing world. The telescopic exploration of Mars yielded fascinating discoveries. One of the most significant was the polar ice caps of Mars. Just as Earth has ice at its poles, so too does Mars. This discovery sparked a flurry of speculation and theories. Could there be life on Mars as there is on Earth? The question fueled further exploration and research into the planet. Around the same time, we also began to map Mars' surface in detail. The first maps not only provided a visual representation of the planet, but also helped us understand its topography and geography. The vast plains, towering mountains, and deep canyons of Mars were laid out for us to marvel at. These maps were the first steps in visualizing the Martian landscape, bringing us closer to the red planet. These early explorations of Mars were both exciting and enlightening. They provided us with a glimpse into a world so different from our own, yet with striking similarities. They were the beginning of our journey of understanding Mars, a journey that continues to this day. These early explorations painted a more detailed picture of Mars, but the best was yet to come. As we delved deeper into the mysteries of Mars, we would uncover more about this fascinating planet, its history, and its potential for hosting life. But that, dear listeners, is a tale for another time. With the dawn of the space age, Mars was no longer a distant dream, but a reachable destination. As the world watched in awe, a new chapter in the annals of space exploration was being written. The year was 1965, and the protagonist of our story was an unassuming spacecraft named Mariner 4. This brave little explorer embarked on a daring 7.5-month voyage through the vast expanse of space, cruising through cosmic winds and starlight to accomplish the first successful Mars flyby. As it glided past Mars at a distance of just over 6,000 miles, Mariner 4 captured the first close-up images of the Martian surface. These grainy, black and white photographs revealed a world of barren landscapes and cratered terrains, debunking popular theories of Martian canals and civilizations. 11 years later, in 1976, another monumental event took place. Viking 1, an ambitious spacecraft, made the first successful Mars landing. This was no ordinary feat. Viking 1 not only had to endure a perilous journey of millions of miles, but also had to survive the fiery descent through the Martian atmosphere. Once safely on the surface, Viking 1 began its mission in earnest. It studied the red planet's atmosphere and surface, providing us with unprecedented data. We learned that Mars's atmosphere is thin, composed mainly of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. Viking 1 also confirmed the presence of water in the form of ice on Mars' polar caps. These missions were not merely about reaching Mars, they were about understanding Mars. They provided us with valuable information about the red planet's geology, climate, and potential for life. They paved the way for future explorations and ignited a spark of curiosity that continues to fuel our quest for knowledge. Indeed, these missions were just the beginning of an era of Martian exploration. In the 21st century, our robotic emissaries have become the pioneers of Martian exploration. As we turn the page to this chapter of our cosmic journey, we delve into the story of these mechanical marvels that have tread the red sands of Mars, bridging the gap between human curiosity and the mysteries of the Red Planet. Let's start with Spirit and Opportunity, the twin rovers that arrived on Mars in 2004. These robotic geologists were equipped with a suite of tools to examine the Martian surface and search for signs of water. Spirit traversed the Martian terrain until 2010, while Opportunity, living up to its name, continued its mission until 2018. Their discoveries, they found evidence of past water activity on Mars, unveiling a side of the planet's history we could only speculate about before. From the presence of hematite, a mineral that forms in water, to the discovery of opaline silica, Spirit and Opportunity painted a picture of a Mars that was once wetter and possibly hospitable to life. Then came Curiosity, the car-sized rover that touched down on Mars in 2012. With its advanced instruments and a nuclear-powered engine, Curiosity has been exploring Gale Crater, a site believed to have been filled with water billions of years ago. Curiosity's findings have been nothing short of revolutionary, confirming the past existence of a freshwater lake and discovering organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Fast forward to the present, the Mars 2020 mission is underway with the Perseverance rover. Tasked with the mission to seek signs of ancient life and collect samples of rock and regolith, broken rock and dust, for a possible return to Earth, the Perseverance rover is the next chapter in our Martian chronicle. These robotic explorers have transformed our understanding of Mars and continue to uncover its secrets. From being a red dot in our night sky to a world with a geological history and potential for past life, our knowledge of Mars has come a long way, and it's thanks to these tireless, intrepid Martian robots. What does the future hold for Mars exploration? As we move forward into the unknown, the Red Planet continues to beckon us with its mysteries and promises. The coming years are set to be an exciting era for Mars exploration, with a plethora of missions planned by both governmental and private entities. NASA, the pioneering space agency, has an ambitious timeline for its Mars exploration. The Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the Moon by 2024, serves as a stepping stone for future Mars missions. The lessons learned on the Moon will inform strategies for sending astronauts on the long journey to Mars, potentially in the 2030s. Simultaneously, SpaceX, the private company helmed by Elon Musk, is also setting its sights on Mars. Their Starship, currently under development, is designed to ferry large numbers of people and cargo across space, with the ultimate goal of colonizing Mars. Musk envisions a future where Mars is home to a self-sustaining city of 1 million people. While this might seem like a lofty goal, the relentless pace of technological advancement brings this vision closer to reality with each passing day. But what would life on Mars look like? Scientists and engineers are hard at work designing habitats that can withstand the harsh Martian environment. These habitats would need to be self-sustaining, capable of producing food, water, and oxygen for their inhabitants. Moreover, technologies are being developed to extract resources from the Martian soil and atmosphere, a process known as in situ resource utilization. The potential for future colonization of Mars opens up a new frontier for humanity. It's not just about survival, but also about thriving in a new world. The scientific benefits of such a step are enormous, from gaining a deeper understanding of Mars's geology and climate to possibly discovering signs of past or present life. One thing is for certain: Mars will continue to captivate our curiosity and drive our quest for discovery. Our journey to Mars is not just a journey through space, but also a journey through ourselves, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve and who we can become. Mars, the red planet, has come a long way in our understanding. With its crimson hue sparking curiosity, early observers could only speculate about its mysteries. As our tools improved, telescopic exploration provided a closer look, revealing polar ice caps and a rugged terrain. The space age brought an unprecedented surge in our Martian knowledge. Unmanned missions such as Mariner and Viking gave us our first real glimpses of this alien world. Robotic explorers, like the rovers Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity, have since taken up the mantle, traversing the Martian surface and sending back invaluable data. Looking ahead, the future of Mars exploration holds immense promise. With plans for more advanced rovers, sample return missions, and even manned expeditions, our understanding of Mars is set to grow exponentially. The story of Mars is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. And remember, this story is far from over.